Here I have HUAWEI Nova 3 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings, scroll down and choose system. Now you need to choose about phone and find the build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back and here you can choose developer options. As you can see here, we've got the full list of developer features, and here for example you can enable OEM Unlocking. Let's just tap enable. You can also enable USB Debugging if you would like to. Let's tap OK. And you can use other developer features such as for example enable view attribute inspection. You can select mock location app and use other options from the following list. Alright, let's go back, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.